guys, it's Annalise. Thought I'd try something new today. I got a Lazy Susan and it has this notch inside of it. So I thought, what a cool idea would it be to paint this. I'm going to try to do it just keeping the paint right here. That way the edge, the wood will still show through. After I take all the tape and everything off, I'll finish it with resin. But having just enough paint and not too much paint, I think is going to be the challenge here. And then I'm gonna spin it, and so hopefully it will turn out the way I'm picturing, which, you know, never totally happens, but in theory. I don't want to do too much paint. I am using today titanium white, phthalo blue, which is a little thick. I got a couple of drops and I can already tell it's too thick. Thin it out just a little bit. How's everybody doing? Do you feel like things are getting back to semi-normal yet? Some things. Hopefully some other things are changing. It's amazing what can happen when people come together. For the right reasons, right? So a little bit better, a little more water and Floetrol in there. But I hope y'all are staying safe and healthy. Amazing time for the kids to learn to be the change they want to see in the world. Better, much better consistency there, see? Good. So I don't want to overdo it, because then the paint's got no place to go, you know? So phthalo blue, titanium white, metallic cobalt, which I love. You know I love it. Almost as much as I love my aqua green. I'm hoping this comes out kind of bloomy. And metallic bronze. I've done some other paintings with this color combination and just adore the way that they look. More white there. I just want to put a little bit more. I feel like my phthalo's getting lost here. And if we can't quite get to the edges, I think that's fine. I can just fill it in with some more white. Never a problem, right? And then I'm gonna spill, because that's what I do. If you figured out a way to do this without spilling, let me know. Without spilling it on your clothes or your hands or another part of your project, please share that information with the rest of the class. This is going to be covered up, but it may be covered with white. So I did prep this with 91% alcohol and took off a little bit of the stickiness, the finish that was on it. So as you can see, it doesn't take much for that stuff to stick. So hopefully the paint will still stick too. All right, I'm gonna blow this out a little bit. Don't mind the hair. Beautiful. I like it. I like it so much already. Adding a little white around here to give it some place to go. Like I said, I don't want to overdo it. I know I could just hear the comments. Spit it, spit it, spit it, do it. Done. That's it. That's all I'm gonna do. That's all I'm gonna spin. That's it. I think it's gorgeous. What do you guys think? I'm gonna let it set up, and then I'm gonna take the tape off, and oof, I like it. I like it a lot. Yeah, definitely. I'll let it set up probably in a day. I'll take the tape off, and then I'll come back and show you the dry with the tape off, and then maybe I'll show you how we resin it. You can still see the divot there all the way around, so I do have room for a little bit of resin. I think it's awesome. All right, thanks for watching, you guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay together. Bye. Alrighty, so we let this dry overnight. And I'm gonna pull the tape off. Looks like some of the paint might have gotten under the tape, so I may have to clean some of that off underneath, but we'll see. We'll see what it looks like. But the finished result looks pretty good. I really like the way that turned out. Hey guys, I thought I'd just show you really quickly here how easy this is. When you take the tape off, there is a little bit of paint residue underneath. So it's just a simple soap and water cleanup. I've just got a damp sponge with a scrubby side. I'm just gonna scrub. Sorry, I'm shaking the whole thing. As long as you do this quickly before it really sets up, it's pretty easy. See, I've got the paint water in the sponge now. I'll have to rinse it soon. And I think this was actually where my finger had come around to the backside on this one. Now, if I'd have let this sit for a week or so, or even a few more days, I think it would have been a lot harder to do, but... because that's where I touched right there too. So I think my hand came around when I was picking it up. So a little soap, a little water, a little elbow grease. No problem. Paint all gone. So I'm just going to do that all the way around on the edge here until the edge is all clean. And then I'm going to let it cure and set up, and then I'm going to resin the top. So let me know if that's something you guys want to see. If not, take care. Thanks for watching, and hope you all are staying well. Talk to you later.